How to attach a passport photo to an application. Before you attach your passport photo, make sure it meets the official requirements. Typically, the photo should be 2x 2 inches with a plain white background. The image must be clear, recent, and show your full face without shadows or hats. Using the wrong photo can lead to application rejection or delays. How you attach your passport photo depends on the application type. For paper forms, you usually need to physically glue or tape the photo onto the designated spot. Avoid staples or paper clips, as these can damage the photo. For online applications, you'll be uploading a digital photo file, so ensure it meets the file size and format guidelines. If your application is paper-based, use a small dab of glue or double-sided tape to attach the photo firmly. Place it carefully so it fits within the box or designated area. Avoid using too much glue to prevent wrinkles or damage. Never fold or bend the photo, as it must remain flat and undamaged. For digital applications, scan or take a clear photo that matches the required specifications. Commonly accepted formats include JPEG or PNG, and file size limits can vary. Upload the photo through the official portal and double-check the preview to confirm it appears correctly. A blurry or incorrectly sized photo can cause delays. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.